Jumbo, and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be speaking about formatting data as currency, because we're working on a personal budget, so it's good to just include the currency. So take an example. I have an amount here of 1150. From the home tab, home ribbon tab, go to where it says general, click on it, click on the down arrow. You don't really need to click on it, just select the cell or the range of cells that you want. I'm going to show you the range of cells, then click this down arrow from the home tab. It says general here, but you can change it. So click on this, click on currency. By default, Excel comes with either the dollar or the pound as the default currency. We will see how to change this. Okay, so that's how you are able to put the currency. Okay, I'm going to undo and show you another way. Once you select the cell, there's this icon here. Just click on the drop down and click on any of these currencies, because these are the most used currencies in Excel. United Kingdom pound, the United States dollar, and the euro. So let's say I want the euro. That's it. Okay, so I want you to see how it changes the orientation once you select the accounting or the currency format. Let's see, currency, boom, it includes the decimal points and the currency itself. Okay, so that's the first way of doing it. First as in first. Then there's a second way where we can change the currency format from the home, this type here. So I'm going to show you on a range of cells. I've deleted that, so I'm going to change all this and just do command 1 or control 1. It's here are all the types of currency, data formats. In this sense, on this exercise, I'm going to use the currency format here, and then no option here, and then click on OK, because for negative values it's going to use the brackets. So I'm going to use the OK, but before that I'm going to go to the amount at the end, custom side. See, okay, it's fine. You don't need to do all this. I just wanted to show you that if you press Control 1, you can also access the currency format from here. If I click OK, nothing happens because I've not told it which type of currency. I'm going to click on number, down, currency, and it formats all of them. Okay, so just see how the currency itself follows, or it's tightly bonded with the digit itself. Okay, so that's how you format your data with currency. Again, if I select any cell and I go to command 1, control 1, there's a pop-up and we can see the symbol is this. So let me just add another value to this tutorial. This is how you also change the currency type. I can click on the drop down, and here is all the currencies that you can find in the world. Okay, so if you can't find it here, your currency, I'll just give you another advice. Keep scrolling down, or if you can't, which I'm seeing Kenya shillings here, if I click on Kenya shillings, shifted it to there, click OK, see, it's changed it, but I want to change for all the data. So if I do control 1, go to currency, then I start typing KES, you see, I've seen it, KES, then enter. It's going to give me that, then okay. That's how you change the currency format as well. The currency for your data. So we've seen how to first apply the currency type. Second, we've seen how to change the currency type. Then third, you've also seen how it is left aligned. So your data is right aligned, your currency is left aligned. Okay, so you can see as the way it grows bigger and bigger and bigger, that's how the currency itself as well aligns to it. I'm going to bold this and see you in the next tutorial, where we are going to speak about formatting data as percentages. See you then. Bye bye.